Hey Boom Crew, well now we're on our way back from dropping off our Jayco. Visiting family, on our way back, we're about to try this Quaker Steak Lube challenge. Eat the heat, check out that video here. Blink!
Which flavor did you get?
The one with the shirt.
Are you
The one with the shirt?
Yeah.
It'll make you sound like a waiter.
It was the,
It says it's only scorpion
it was
peppers.
scorpion
Pepper.
pepper.
Jalapeno is like
that.
too hot for me.
Right.
I make my own hot sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I want to eat it. I want to eat it. I want to eat it.
Only the most meticulous chefs, like myself, can handle such a volatile ingredient.
And I don't eat it. Come on, I want to eat.
I don't have gloves.
King is what I want.
What you want?
I want some fries.
Want some fries?
I want some barbecue sauce on the side. Don't forget my chicken wings that I ordered, or you will get knocked upside your head with a quarter.
Let's get it, let's go. Stop what you're doing. Make sure you like and subscribe all our videos. Yay, yay.
Thank you. Where's going? Is there like a sign?
Yeah, you can take off the bone. You don't put it on the plate.
Have you done this before? All right, never mind.
Yeah.
This camera makes your head look like
That's how it is in real life. Now look, why would you do that? Could have got salt and pepper.
across the table.
It could happen.
Okay. Is this gonna happen, bro? My hand's
It's
stuck.
happening, but it's a little pungent.
I'm gonna get you one of those stands.
Right?
Am I ready? I think I'm ready. It looks like chopped barbecue. Is it hot? Oh, you got it in your mouth. Oh, your little wing thing failed. Is it burning your lips? You haven't wiped off. But that's extra.
Is it good though?
Yeah. And you're gonna have a hip and fry in it. Are you hiccuping? It does. Hot stuff make you hiccup? How many are left?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what happened.
That's it. The things you do for clothing. Are you crying? Oh, okay.
I'm trying to control hiccups.
Why? Focus on eating it.
It's burning now.
Your mouth or the inside? Like an aerial mouth burn type.
Yeah.
It burns so good. Are you dipping it back in the sauce?
Not intentionally.
Those are french fries.
I wonder how long after does it still burn? Because I'm trying to figure, why would they give you gloves? I'm thinking it burns your hands.
So you don't get into your eyes.
But you're putting it in your face. Isn't that like... I guess people touch their eyes.
Cheese. Thank you. Welcome. Okay, I brought honey mustard, barbecue, regular ranch, and then we got a spicy ranch.
Sweet. Thank you. Here, I'll bring the plate so you can... Yep. All right, now, darling.
You want that glass of milk? Dish of ice cream.
Shirt distance. There we go. Thank you. How much is left?
That's it.
Oh.
Finished?
Oh, man.
You still okay on the milk?
Yay.
I'm gonna need that milk.
I was expecting some sort of blow up or something. You're touching your hand with it.
Oh.
I gotta get the beads of sweat.
I got it on my lips.
The sauce on your lips?
My upper lip is numb.
I don't know how to zoom out. There you go.
I just want to duck my lip for a little bit.
Are you gargling?
It's on the roof of my back of my throat.
Swish it like mouthwash. We're gonna judge you, but you won't need an allergy pill for like a month.
Right, it might be clear out tonight.
It's not bad.
In the comments below, let us know if you think you can handle the heat of the scorpion venom.
This is where I work.